Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how to use your Instant Pot, pressure cooker, slow cooker, pretty much everything cooker, rice cooker. I didn't realize it did so much when I bought it. I found it to be quite interesting, so I thought it would be neat if I did a small series on Instant Pot and the ease of cooking in it. Or I'm going to make white beans and ham because I had leftover ham on the bone for Christmas, and I am trying to use up all of my leftovers without using my oven because we all know how nice and expensive those are to run. I'm hoping everything will turn out okay. It says when you make beans to only fill it to a certain level, so I'm hoping I don't mess this up, and with any luck I will do it right. I hope you enjoy what you watch. Alright, we're just going to take the empty pot and we will put it inside the Instapot. Then we will add our white beans. Place your clean beans into the pot. Add ham into the beans. Make sure that they're nice and in. Add water to the halfway mark. Make sure that it doesn't go above the halfway mark because this pot needs enough to have room for the expansion of the beans. 1 tablespoon of Italian seasonings, half a cup of onions. You can always include any other seasonings that you like the taste of. Add a 1/4 cup to a 1/2 cup bell pepper. Add a 1/2 cup to 1 cup of carrots and any other vegetables you enjoy. Celery would also be delicious here. Add salt and pepper to taste, and then make sure you mix all of the herbs and seasonings and extra vegetables into the pot. That way you get a beautiful, well-rounded flavor. Place the lid on the pot, make it nice and tight, make sure the seal is set on your Instapot. Then pick your settings. I picked the bean setting on high and more because I like my beans nice and soft. The ham was pre-cooked when I put it in there. It cooks for 40 minutes, and then it does require 40 minutes to depressurize. So delicious. This has been an amazing, warm, and yummy, delicious meal. Perfect way to eat your leftover ham from Christmas. My other favorite way to eat it is in a split pea soup. Maybe someday I'll make that. So I have finished with my Instapot. It cooked in only 40 minutes. Beans that normally take me about 6 hours to cook because I don't soak them overnight first. Always just throw them straight on the pot and start cooking them. Took me only 40 minutes, but then it did require 40-minute depressurizing time for the pot before I open it. So 1 hour and 20 minutes total to make beans and ham. And I think this is a pretty cool system. I am definitely going to be using this one a few times a week to make easier dinners. I think the next one I want to try is roast beef and see how it turns out. So hopefully with any luck, the next one will turn out great. If you enjoyed watching me and my recipe, I will put everything in the link below. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so you can see the next time I upload a video. Thanks. Have a great day.